Hi, this is Jim with the Forex wrap up for this week. The EUR USD is above the 10-10 bands and it looks like it's going to continue higher from here. Um, it's just clear and simple on that. I mean, it looks like the dollar's heading lower and the EUR USD is going to head higher. Right now, everything's pretty clear on these Forex pairs. The GBP USD looks like it's heading higher. The AUD USD looks like it's heading higher. The dollar, it looks like it's made a top on the commodity charts, and gold looks higher. So I mean, it's just right now bars above the bands, full bars above the bands are bullish. That's a sign of strength, and I think the GBP USD is heading much higher. Now the AUD USD is the one we're long in the premium newsletter. Usually I just go long one pair at a time in the premium newsletter, whichever chart looks the best, because these pairs all do the same trade off the dollar, and they pretty much work the same way. And if you're good on one, you're good on all. But the problem with that is if you try to trade a couple of them and then you don't hit it right, then you're losing on two. So I only go with one pair at a time. But we're pretty much on the right side of the market most of the time, so overall we come out good. We got long the AUD USD right in this area here, and it's been made a nice move for us so far, and I think higher prices are ahead, so we're holding this one long in the premium newsletter. Forex, my again, if you're ever interested in the premium newsletters, I wasn't planning on doing a little advertisement here, but I guess I will. If sorry, if you're ever interested in the premium newsletters, I'm pretty much right on these Forex pairs. The Forex is a little easier to trade because these markets tend to trend, and last year, I mean, there's going to be some losing trades, of course. I mean, I'm not trying to say that at all, but it's just like you look at the chart and you pretty much can be on the right side of these markets most of the time. Now, the USD CAD, it's made this sideways like triangle. This could be a triangle here if you draw the trend lines here, and this right here, this action here is a breakout to the downside of the triangle, and full bars below the bands. This market has every indication of lower prices ahead. So I'm bearish the USD CAD. Now the USD CHF, again, same thing. When the dollar is going down, the USD CHF goes down. And excuse me, if that'll come up here. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. No, again, obvious. I mean, if I wouldn't have been long the AUD USD in the premium newsletter, we would have shorted this in a second. So below the bands, again, just from listening to my videos that I follow these bands. It's a 10-10 band, 10-day moving average of the highs, 10-day moving average of the lows. Those are simple moving averages, and they can keep you on the right side of these markets pretty much a lot of the time. Again, there's nothing that's perfect, but right now we would be short the USD CHF. And I would just be, if you're short, I'd be holding short. You could go short now because it looks like it's going to continue lower, but the place to have gotten short would have been right in here. And so again, the EUR USD, GBP USD, AUD USD looks higher. The USD CAD and USD CHF looks lower, and it looks like a pretty sure thing on those pairs for this video. Thanks for listening to my video.